How to find a blocked and hidden chat on WhatsApp. In this video, I will show you how to find a blocked and hidden chat on WhatsApp. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, so let's jump straight into it. First, open WhatsApp and go to your chat screen. If you have a chat that you've locked and hidden using a secret code, you won't see it in your normal chat list. To find the hidden chat, tap the search icon at the top of WhatsApp and enter the secret code you previously set for your locked chats. Once you enter the correct code, your hidden locked chats should appear. You can then tap on the chat to open it and access your messages as normal. If you don't have a secret code set up, you may instead be able to find locked chats by scrolling down to the bottom of your chat screen and tapping Locked Chats, then verifying with your fingerprint, Face ID, or device passcode. So that is how to find a blocked and hidden chat on WhatsApp. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, please consider leaving a like, subscribing to the channel, and sharing this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.